Bus SMIT.
Dew on the glass, 4 a.m. in the yard. We pack the heavy baskets, breathing hard. The yellow paint is peeling, showing years of rust. A giant sleeping dragon waking in the dust. We climb the metal steps, worn smooth by heavy feet. The smell of diesel smoke and those vinyl covered seats.
KA BUS SMIT.
Get on board!
Get on board!
KA BUS SMIT!
Mind the door!
Used to rattle in the frame. We shot at every landmark, playing every game. No aircon breeze, just the wind in our hair. 50 screaming kids, but we didn't have a care. Now you're sitting in the weeds, a ghost in the rain, a relic of a time we won't see again. They say the new ones are faster, they say the new ones are clean.